Hello?
Hey Ben,
Hello.
we're here. We're just still getting set up.
Hey, okay.
You can mute it.
Are you able to hear me, folks?
Yeah.
All
Yep.
right, thanks. Thanks, Ben.
Boy, it's a beautiful day in the city today, man.
Yeah,
It's
it's very nice.
crazy outside. I'm gonna hit a beer bar on the way home.
Hi, everyone, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, Frank, days like today, you miss coming into the city. It's beautiful outside, man.
I mean, it's beautiful outside here too, except without the filth of the city and the hassle of the commute.
And the homeless people.
Yeah,
Don't worry, Mom Donnie's making it better.
yeah, right. Wow, it's going to be 73 tomorrow,
That's great.
71 Wednesday.
They were
And we
putting
just
out
don't have seasons anymore. It just goes from winter to spring and then you get some cold days in between. But
they were putting out tables for a beer bar this afternoon. I was like, "Are we hitting it?" They go, "Yep." It's all right. Let's go.
then it might snow again next Wednesday.
Yeah,
So,
Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah. I'm sure it'll just be adjusting, but
Be careful of the potholes.
hot cold does it. I was just talking to Jamie.
I just texted.
The other minute, but
Logging on now. Let me know when you're ready and I'll start recording.
so yeah.
He was at Oscars last time I saw him.
I don't know the YouTube messages. Yeah. The chat on YouTube. I'm adding right.
Oh,
there's Jamie.
I just found out Dennis's wife died, Frank.
Yeah.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yeah.
I know she wasn't doing well for a while.
Yeah, yeah, just yesterday.
It looks like she died on Friday, on Saturday morning. Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry, two days ago. That's right.
It's showing on our end.
But I had just seen him too, and
Frank, want to get us started? It's 1 o'clock.
Yep, let's get started. Right. In accordance with Section 5 of the Open Public Meeting Act, adequate notice of this meeting has been provided by posting the notice on the Township Public Notices page, posting on the bulletin board in the municipal building, and filing a copy with the municipal clerk as required by law. We don't have a flag to salute. So
I do.
You do?
Right there.
All right. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America,
And to the republic for
which
which
it stands, one nation, under God,
under God,
indivisible, with
with
liberty
and
and justice
justice
for all.
for all.
Roll call, please.
Mr. Cohen,
Here.
Mr. Cosgrove,
Here,
Mr. Ceruto,
Here,
Mr. Stoller,
Present.
Mayor Sakamandy.
Here.
Thank you.
All right. 1 second. I haven't switched my headset. My batteries are dying.
All right, can you guys still hear me?
Yes.
yes.
Great. All right, may I have a motion to approve the agenda?
So moved.
May I have a second?
second,
All those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Any abstentions? All right. Public comment. When invited to speak to offer your comments, please come to the lectern, clearly state your name and whether you are a Milburn resident and or property or business owner. Please do not provide your full address, seeing as our meetings are recorded and are readily available to the public. To help facilitate an orderly meeting and to permit all to be heard, speakers shall limit their comments to 1 3-minute session. They'll be prompted when there's 30 seconds remaining. A reminder, this is not a time for dialogue or to debate a matter. This is a time during our business meeting for the public to offer comments, and I'll open the public comment period.
Madam Clerk, who's keeping time for this?
I will keep.
Oh, you got it?
me-
Good.
Yeah.
Want me to stand?
Yes, please.
My name is Jeffrey Feld. I live in the poet section. My comments are really about clarifying the record. We're here for a special meeting. Everyone, I think, understands the purpose is that we could be subject to the builder's remedy safe harbor. I think it should be clarified that it's not just pursuant to statute that we're acting today. We're acting pursuant to various court orders, the special adjudicator's report, the round 4 mediation order, and Judge Russo's order. I think that should be clarified as part of the record. Also, I think we should clarify that this is for round 4 and that I still believe we're reserving various rights that are still pending in the coalition litigation. I think really the specific issue is the urban aid municipality carve out, whether we would have reserved our rights for that. And reserving that right is sort of consistent with litigation that was filed last week, I think on Friday, in the Appellate Division by like builders associations challenging various DEP rules. This is a unique situation, as Attorney Cantor pointed out at the last TC meeting. We have another requirement that's not like requiring adopting a municipal legislation. It's explaining how what we're doing complies with round 3, and it's not clear whether like our explanation or response to that paragraph or condition has to be filed before the December 15th, 16th deadline. And I would recommend filing something and letting the TC ratify it on the 17th, because I think we don't want to get into a situation that we miss something because we're in the unknown territory as to that condition. Also, I'd like to know whether the Fair Share Housing Center has received and signed off on the 6 pieces of municipal legislation that you are going to be considering that we have to adopt to avail ourselves of the safe harbor. And also, when I looked at the agenda packet of the ordinances, only one was black lined. And that might give the impression that there's no changes from round 3, but if there were some changes, I think our planner maybe should point out what those changes are on the 3 not black line copies. That's it really right now. It's really drafting and just clarifying why we are here is to avail ourselves of the safe harbor. and with the special unique situation which we have of Judge Russo's order for the clarifications. Thank you.
Anyone else? Public comment? Anyone online? Use the raise
Nobody.
hand button. All right, if there's no one else, I will now close the public comment period. Does anyone from the TC wish to respond? Nope, okay. Alex or Jared?
Sure. Thank you, Mayor. I appreciate Mr. Feld's comments. What he said is accurate. What we're doing today is not only a response to the statute, but it is in response to the fourth round order that was entered by the court. Everything we're doing today is to get in compliance with that fourth round order, which the ultimate goal is fourth round immunity. Those ordinances which deal with the administrative stuff have been reviewed by Fair Share Housing Center and DCA and been approved. Largely all municipalities are adopting the same ordinances. Our specific overlay ordinances, I don't believe were previously reviewed by Fair Share Housing Center, but the substance of them complies with our fourth round obligations. As to Mr. Fell's comment regarding response to RPM, the township fully intends to file a statement with these ordinances and resolutions pursuant to the order, and it will be done prior to it'll be done prior to March 15th. I don't believe we need a municipal ratification of that statement, but it will just give the court some clarification, and we understand that that is a unique requirement of the township, and I appreciate Mr. Feld, your attention to that detail, and the township fully intends to respond to that.
Okay. Moving on to ordinances. Ordinance 2731-26. Committeeman Cohen is scheduled to sponsor.
Okay. I present for consideration an ordinance entitled Ordinance Number 2731-26, an ordinance to amend development regulations and zoning ordinance section 501, affordable housing. This ordinance repeals and replaces development regulations and zoning ordinance section 501, affordable housing, and 502, mandatory affordable housing set aside, to implement the township's fourth round housing element and fair share plan, and to update local standards governing the creation, administration, affordability controls, affirmative marketing, monitoring, and enforcement of very low, and moderate income housing units. The ordinance establishes requirements applicable to inclusionary and 100% affordable developments and other affordable housing mechanisms, including, among other items, a municipality-wide mandatory affordable housing set-aside in specified circumstances, rounding fractional unit treatment, phasing and completion standards, design and bedroom distribution requirements, accessibility requirements, duties of the municipal housing liaison and administrative agent, reporting through the affordable housing monitoring system, and enforcement and appeals procedures. Today is the time set for the public hearing and final passage as advertised in accordance with law.
Declare the hearing open.
I move that the public hearing be closed and that the ordinance be adopted on final reading, and that the township clerk be directed to post the ordinance by title as passed on final reading in accordance with law.
I'll second that. Roll call vote, please.
Mr. Cohen,
Yes.
Mr. Cosgrove,
Yes.
Mr. Ceruto,
Yes.
Mr. Stoller,
Affirmative.
Mayor Sakamandy.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Ordinance 2732-26. Committeeman Ceruto is scheduled to sponsor.
Okay, just one moment. Okay. I present for consideration an ordinance entitled Ordinance Number 2732-26, an ordinance to amend Chapter 22 Development Fees. This updates and reinstates the township's authority and procedures to impose, collect, deposit, monitor, report, and expend residential and non-residential development fees for affordable housing purposes consistent with applicable law and court requirements. The ordinance also established the residential development fee rate, the non-residential development fee rate exemptions and credits where applicable, collective timing and administrative procedures, appeal processes and requirements, maintaining a separate interest-bearing municipal affordable housing trust fund. The ordinance also provides that the trust fund revenues and interest may be expended only for eligible affordable housing purposes, pursuant to a spending plan with annual monitoring, reporting requirements, and limitations on administrative expenditures. Tonight is the time set for public hearing and final passage as advertised in accordance with law.
I declare the hearing open. Jamie, over to you to close it.
Right, close the hearing. I move that the public hearing be closed and the ordinance be adopted on final reading and that the township clerk be directed to post the ordinance by title as passed on final reading in accordance with law.
I'll second it. Roll call vote, please.
Mr. Cohen,
Yes.
Mr. Cosgrove,
Yes.
Mr. Ceruto,
Yes.
Mr. Stoller,
Affirmative.
Mayor Sakamandy.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Ordinance 2733-26. Deputy Mayor Cosgrove is scheduled to sponsor.
Thank you, Mayor. I present for consideration an ordinance entitled Ordinance 2733-26, an ordinance amending the development regulations and zoning ordinance of the Township of Milburn to address the requirements of the Fair Share Housing Act regarding compliance with the town's affordable housing obligations by establishing an affordable housing overlay zone designated as the fourth round AHO district and modifying the zoning map. By way of a little explanation, this sets two overlay zones in town. The first overlay is 35 per acre at 55 and 59 Main Street and 356 to 358 Milburn Ave. The second sets the overlay zone at 26 an acre, and that's 16 Bleecker Street. Today is the time set for the public hearing and final passage as advertised in accordance with law.
I declare the hearing open.
Nothing there or online?
Nothing online.
Okay. I move that this public hearing be closed and the ordinance be adopted on final reading, and that the township clerk be directed to post the ordinance by title as passed on final reading in accordance with law.
I'll second it. Roll call vote, please.
Mr. Cohen,
Yes.
Mr. Cosgrove,
Yes.
Mr. Ceruto,
Yes.
Mr. Stoller,
Affirmative.
Mayor Sakamandy.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Ordinance 2734-26. Committeeman Stoller is scheduled to sponsor.
Thank you. I present for consideration an ordinance entitled Ordinance 2734-26, ordinance amending and supplementing the Township of Milburn Development Regulations and Zoning Ordinance. Tonight is the time to set for the public hearing and final passage as advertised with law. For way of background, basically, this is the plan reexamination update from December 19th, 2018. It includes the objective 1.01 to protect the character of established residential neighborhoods and encourage land use and development at an appropriate scale and density. It includes objective 1.05, which creates a realistic opportunity to provide for its fair share of regions' affordable housing. And it also promotes clear, user-friendly, and transparent application, review, and public hearing processes for development proposals and applications. I declare the hearing open. Anybody online?
No.
Okay, with that, I move that this public hearing be closed and the ordinance be adopted on final reading and that the township clerk be directed to post the ordinance by title as passed on final reading in accordance with the law. Second,
I'll second it. Roll call vote, please.
Mr. Cohen,
Yes.
Mr. Cosgrove,
Yes.
Mr. Ceruto,
yes,
Mr. Stoller,
affirmative.
Mayor Sakamandy.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Resolutions. Resolution 26-084. Are there any comments from the committee in regards to Resolution 26-084? Seeing none, may I have a motion to approve Resolution 26-084?
Motion.
May I have a second?
second,
Roll call vote, please.
Mr. Cohen,
Yes.
Mr. Cosgrove,
Yes.
Mr. Ceruto,
yes,
Mr. Stoller,
Affirmative.
Mayor Sakamandy.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Resolution 26-085. Are there any comments from the committee in regards to Resolution 26-085? Seeing none, may I have a motion to approve Resolution 26-085?
Motion.
May I have a second?
Second.
Roll call vote, please.
Mr. Cohen,
Yes.
Mr. Cosgrove,
Yes.
Mr. Ceruto,
yes,
Mr. Stoller,
Affirmative.
Mayor Sakamandy.
Yes. All right. Second public comment. I'm not going to read the disclaimer again. You get 3 minutes. Raise your hand if you're online and wish to speak. If you're in the room, now's your opportunity. All right.
No one online.
So in that case, I will close the second public comment period. Seeing as there's nothing to respond to, may I have a motion to adjourn the meeting?
So
Motion.
moved.
May I have a second?
Second.
All those in favor?
aye.
Aye. All right, the meeting is adjourned.
Thank you, guys. Have a great week.
Thank
you.